This video is going to show you how to get onto Office 365 to access all of the district apps that you need to use for our remote learning. So we're going to go to our website, hikingwithmrshaines.wordpress.com, go to Web Resources, and click Office 365. It will prompt you to log in, make sure it's your numbers. If it's not your numbers, go to Use Other Account and your password, and we're going to sign in. Once you're signed in, we will click the waffle. Now, all of our apps are here or in All Apps. I have pinned some of our apps to the top of some of your lists. We go to the three dots, click on it, and it will say Pin to Launcher, and that will put it up to the top. This one says Unpin from Launcher. That means I already have it at the top. If you can't find your app, click All Apps, scroll down until you find it. We will be using HMH Think Central for our math lesson. We will be using iReady for our individual math by pressing My Path. Some of you will be using Imagine Learning. We also will be using Smarty Ants Play for word work and phonics. We will be using Thrively for social emotional learning. And at the very top, we will be using Teams. Teams is where we are going to be able to meet and talk to each other, and we can have some discussions. Right now, those are our main ones that we are going to be working on right now.